Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and right now you're watching the Love Honey YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Love Honey website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this week's episode, we're talking erotic fiction. But before we do, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our videos, you need to click that subscribe button. So what is erotic fiction? Well, it's saucy, sexy stories, naughty novels, titillating and tantalizing tales. You get the idea. Erotic fiction has one primary goal, and that is to turn you on through entertainment and storytelling. Now, there are so many different erotic fiction novels out there. My best advice to you would be to either go on word of mouth if someone tells you or has reviewed an erotic fiction book that speaks to you. That's one way to find stories that you like. Or just go online, have a look, read some blurbs and find something that speaks to you. Alternatively, you can hop on the Love Honey website where we have some choice erotic fiction in the form of the 50 Shades of Grey trilogy. We have E.L. James's The Mister, and we also have The Endless Autumn by Annabelle Knight. Ta-da! It's like I planned it. Now, traditional novels aren't just the only way to enjoy erotic fiction. You can go online to sites like Erotica where people upload their own stories. They're categorized and there's so many different categories to choose from. You can dip in and out, or you can find an author that you really like and stick with them. Or you can listen to your erotica with an erotic app, such as the app and Jane. So if you can't find a story that speaks to you, you could try writing your own. Now, I know it sounds a little bit scary, but getting creative with sexy scenarios can really help boost your pleasure potential. You could also co-write some sexy scenes with your partner through the beauty of the humble text message. You each take it in turns to write a paragraph, and by the end of the day, you'll have an incredible sexy story that you can act out with your partner. What is not to love? There are so many benefits to erotic fiction. They can help aid masturbation, they can bring you closer to your partner, they can allow you to explore fantasies in a safe and non-judgmental way, and they can be really fun to read on your own or with someone else. It's entirely up to you as to what you decide erotic fiction is. It can be anything that you find sexy, and even if it's not in the erotic fiction category, it can still be erotic fiction to you. It's entirely your choice. In my humble opinion, the best thing about erotic fiction is that it can give you the most amazing ideas for your own sexual scenarios. It widens your horizons and it can increase your pleasure potential. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got anything you'd like to add, please pop your comments in the box below. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you never want to miss another video, hit that subscribe button. For notifications, click the bell, and if you just can't wait till next week, well, don't worry, because there's another video coming up right now. Thanks again for watching. I've been Annabelle Knight, and you've been watching the Love Honey YouTube channel. Bye!